Hey everyone, Dr. Raff here. You've probably sprinkled cinnamon on your coffee or oatmeal, but what happens if you eat it every single day? Is it a super spice or something more dangerous than you think? Stay tuned because the answer may surprise you. We're diving deep into the science of how cinnamon affects your body, from your brain to your blood sugar. We'll uncover the surprising benefits, the potential risks, and most importantly, how to use this spice safely to upgrade your health. Because let's face it, when it comes to your well-being, you deserve the full story. No hype, just the facts. So grab your favorite mug, and let's get started. Did you know cinnamon could be a secret weapon for a sharper mind? It contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which studies show may actually boost brain function. Imagine improving your memory, enhancing your focus, and even potentially lowering your risk of cognitive decline, all with a sprinkle of this spice. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? Well, here's the thing about scientific studies. We always need more research to confirm these early findings. But the initial results are promising. One study found that even just smelling cinnamon could improve cognitive performance. Imagine, the aroma alone might be giving your brain a boost. Of course, we're talking about enjoying cinnamon in moderation as part of a healthy lifestyle, not just relying on it as a magic fix. But it's exciting to see how powerful even simple dietary changes can be. Let's talk inflammation, that sneaky culprit behind so many health issues. The good news is that cinnamon is packed with polyphenols, natural antioxidants that act like firefighters against inflammation and oxidative stress. What does that mean for you? It means potentially strengthening your immune system, keeping your joints healthy, and even supporting youthful-looking skin. We're constantly bombarded with toxins and stressors that can wreak havoc on our bodies. That's where antioxidants come in. They neutralize these harmful compounds, protecting our cells from damage. And cinnamon isn't just any antioxidant powerhouse, it's right up there with superstars like blueberries and green tea. But here's the key. Consistency is king. Adding a little cinnamon to your diet regularly, over time, is where you'll really start to see the benefits. Now let's talk about one of cinnamon's most impressive benefits: its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially important for people with insulin resistance or prediabetes. You see, cinnamon acts like a helpful assistant to your body's own insulin. It helps your cells use glucose more effectively, which can prevent those blood sugar spikes and crashes. Think of it like this: when you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into sugar. Cinnamon steps in to slow down that process, giving your body more time to regulate those sugar levels naturally. This isn't about replacing your doctor's recommendations, of course. But incorporating cinnamon into your diet could be a powerful tool in managing your blood sugar alongside a healthy lifestyle. Now, before you go raiding your spice rack, there's a crucial detail we need to address. Not all cinnamon is created equal. The cinnamon you typically find at the grocery store is often cassia cinnamon. While it has its benefits, cassia cinnamon also contains a compound called coumarin. And here's where things get tricky. Coumarin, in high amounts, can potentially harm your liver. We're talking about consuming large amounts of cassia cinnamon daily over a prolonged period. Now don't panic if you've been enjoying cinnamon in moderation. The key here is awareness and choosing the right type of cinnamon for daily use. That's where Ceylon cinnamon, the true cinnamon, comes in. It has significantly lower coumarin levels, making it a safer choice for daily consumption. So, how can you safely enjoy the benefits of cinnamon every day? It's simpler than you might think. First, switch to Ceylon cinnamon. Look for it online or at specialty spice shops. When it comes to daily intake, a good rule of thumb is around half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon per day. Remember, more isn't always better. Now let's talk about incorporating it into your routine. Cinnamon is incredibly versatile. Sprinkle it on your morning yogurt, stir it into your oatmeal, or add a dash to your smoothies. You can even find Ceylon cinnamon supplements, but always check for purity and dosage. The key is to make it a sustainable part of your diet, not a fleeting trend. Small changes, consistently applied, lead to the most significant results. So there you have it. Eating cinnamon daily can sharpen your mind, balance blood sugar, and fight inflammation, but only if you use it wisely. Stick with Ceylon, avoid megadoses, and let this ancient spice work its modern magic. Remember, your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable choices that support your well-being in the long run. Like and subscribe to Dr. Raff, your guide to wellness, for more science-backed health tips every week. Until next time, stay healthy.